You know what I mean? If it ain't raw, then I don't want it. If it ain't raw, I don't need it. I'm making slaves out you whack MCs like Hooter Kente. Y'all brothers is played out like Sergio Valente. It's no escape when I'm crushing ya. When I'm dropping my broken English, I get smooth like the hustler. Now you the one to mess with me. I break your squad into 4 parts like Eric B, Rakim, PMD. It's funny cause the money I'm earning puts more green in front of my eyes than Eric's sermon. But yo, now here's the clincher. At record stores I make lines longer than that Batman ride that great adventures. With so much skill that I can even talk without opening my mouth like Garfield. Rappers is starting to sound stupid, man, claiming I can't see them when I got x-ray vision like Superman. And I can see through y'all wannabes when I leave my rap book with more pinstripes than leaves. You fake gangsters know the deal. When I got my Chrome 4-5, you could call me the man of steel. And ain't no sense in even trying. None of them sees mad like skills or even mad like lying. I'll be making records so my peoples won't be starving. So now I got to make my way in like Harlan. These women never got me pressed. I make Janet Jackson wanna sing He's Mine like Moke and Steph. You can't stop me when I'm slicing, cause I can make a comeback with mics like Jordan and Tyson. I think we're pretty boy logic. When it comes to females, I get more haste than Isaac. And I can tell by the look on your face that your brothers in jail like that Aqua Fresh toothpaste. Now you remember the last time that you tried to step on my stage, my people's booed you like one time. One time for your mind, tell your crew. The big tab be representing Philly like the Bloods do. You couldn't see me on your TV in 3D, cause my style's posted like who'd you rapping me, BC. AT, who that cat that went beef with the big dog from Ludo, ferocious like Cujo. You remind me of Barry White when you rap, cause you keep telling me this and telling me that. How? Give it to me, yeah, give it to me. When you give it to me, yeah, give it to me. Chill, but I got to make the keys to whiter than Brooke Shields. For real, that Jack with the band, but I'm a grizzly. Women when they catch me like a dog do a frisbee. Who is he? Even with shovels you can't dig me. I got beef with MCs like Tupac with Biggie. But the bad boys get put on death row, where would I go? Using my common sense like I was from Chicago. Grand like Cuba, blow you like a tuba. Make them C's wanna take a dive like scuba. Seems you never knew the incredible was a king like Nat Cole. I'm unforgettable. Plus I'm real live like K-Daff and Mario. You want beef? I roll with more brothers than Mario. And I don't care what you smoke, G. It ain't no blunt in this world that can make you write rhymes like me. You swear you got all the answers, so I just play you with that you big dummy like Fred Sanford. So bring your girl to the battle money grip, and if you do, I'ma make her smile like the potato chips.